Once you have Google Drive and iBooks installed, please click on Google Drive. It may ask you to log in to your Google Drive account. That's your school Google Drive account. It's your same username and password you use for your email. Once you get logged in, you'll see a screen that looks something like this. Click on the little icon here that has a couple different people on it. That's shared folders. And then one of your shared folders, and it could be a different order than what mine is in, it says Middle School Edmodo Share. Click on that, please. Then one of the files that's in here, if there's more than one, find the one that says something about Edmodo. It might say Edmodo 2 or 20. It has an EPUB at the end. Click on that, and you'll see a screen that looks like this. It says unable to open. That's okay. Just click on Open In. At this point, this is going to be loading, and it's going to load for a while. You could wait up to 5 minutes, so as long as this wheel is spinning, good things are happening. You might want to go get a coffee, get something to drink, go to the powder room, play a quick game of basketball. You got some time. Talk amongst yourselves. As long as this is spinning around and around, then you're okay. I would suggest pausing the video at some point here until something different happens on your screen while you're waiting. At this point, once it's done turning its wheels, it gives you different options of where you want to open this. You want to open it in iBooks. If you have iBooks installed, which I think you already do, then you want to click on Open in iBooks. If that's not an option, you need to start this over after you've downloaded iBooks. Click on iBooks. Then you get this screen, which looks like you went backwards, but you really didn't. You might have another 1 to 2 minutes to wait at this point. Not nearly as long as the first time you waited, but you still have to wait a little bit. Be patient. Once the wait is over, this screen comes up, and one of two things are going to happen. You need to wait another 30 seconds. This book might pop open. If it pops open, when it opens, you can start using it. If it doesn't, just wait patiently until this has a little word that says New in the top left corner. Once it's ready, it'll say New. If it hadn't opened by itself, click on it. This will be the first page that you see. There'll be a little bar down here at the bottom that slowly starts working its way to the right as this book is loading. If you click on this button here, that takes you to the table of contents. If you take and put your finger on the slider down here at the bottom and you slide it across, you can go to different pages. I suggest clicking on this table of contents right now, which will take you to this screen, and here's your table of contents. How do I create an account is the most important thing you could start with. If you want to read the disclaimer, which is not that interesting, or how I use Edmodo in my classroom, you can click on that, give you a little explanation of what Edmodo is. If you want to just jump right into it, then go to this page here, and there'll be instructions on how to proceed. Once you get to this point, you'd be using your iPad to give you instructions and your PC to use Edmodo.